Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error when your Windows automatically make your volume lower or louder. So for fixing it, you just need to right click on your sound and just choose here sounds. So just click on the sounds and just go to communications, and in the communications you need to choose do nothing here and just click apply. And after you do it, go to playback, and just here you will find your speaker. So just right click on speaker and choose here properties, and here you need to go to enhancements. So just open it and choose here disable all enhancements and just choose apply. So just click OK and OK, and just now you just need to go to your start menu and just click on restore power and choose restore your PC. So I hope that it will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.